Wells Fargo and Company Express building. They pulled out about $10 million worth of silver in the 1870s when this was a boom town, mining town, Silver Reef. And you can see some of these old steel doors on this building. This is original. There's a lot of silver, gold, copper mines, old mines in Utah, even uranium mines. I'm going to show you some of the old mining equipment. Okay, here's an ore bucket. Crushing wheel for pulverizing ore. Once again, the silver was inside a sandstone, so you had to break it up. I mean, drive it, use a crushing wheel to crush the sandstone to get the silver out. Not common at all for silver to be found in sandstone. And this is the only site in the United States that had, I know I'm repetitive, but very interesting fact. Here's a stagecoach dismount step. And of course, I'm standing in front of the Wells Fargo building. Wells Fargo and Company building. And over this way, I'm going to show you some more mining equipment. Of course, they use some type of explosive powder, dynamite, gunpowder. I don't know exactly. I'm not an expert in mining, how they blew stuff up. But here's where Cassidy's powder house was. Once again, this is an original building made out of stone. And yes, they had to blow up some of these big sandstone rock to find the silver ore that was inside of it. Pull it out to the surface and start pulverizing it and crushing it to pull the silver out. Okay, here are some remnants of the process to crush the sandstone to get out the silver ore. Arastra. These are remnants of an age-old method of crushing ore as a mule pulled a heavy stone over a circular stone-paved floor. The drag stone was later replaced by a large stone wheel bound with iron. Okay, this was how they crushed the ore. So that was after they got the ore out of the sandstone, I'm assuming. But boy, they used a mule. We're talking in the 1870s. I don't think electricity was around. All right, I'm walking down this path towards a building that is in ruins and part of the booming town that was here during when the active silver mining was being done. And the ruins are over that way. This is the raw video on a windy day. And I apologize for not having a mic.